Hello Aquarius, right now I am gonna do your love reading for the month of June 2021. We will just a straightforward love reading for Aquarius people. It's gonna be just about love, so you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. So let's start softly. Okay. Bottom of the deck we have Seven of Pentacles. You are waiting for someone, okay, or worried about your finance, something like that. So first card is Page of Cups, the Lovers, great. Six of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, the Star, this is your card Aquarius, and Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Maybe you are dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Gemini, Libra, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Fire sign is not present here. So Aquarius, here I am just picking up on energy that you are waiting for someone new. Okay. I'm just feeling that you are not in a relationship right now, because we have Nine of Pentacles. This card represents single people, okay, and very self-loving people, self-independent people, okay. And this is very beautiful energy I'm picking up on here. Like you are feeling very fulfilled in your life, and you are very self-loving people, and also good for, and also like you are just in public recognition, okay, like everybody is liking you or everybody is observing you. I think if you are a female, then I think you are very just looking very beautiful these days, like that. Or you have just came from some bad times, and now you are doing self-love and just enjoying your life, something like that I'm picking up on here, okay, because I don't picked any negative cards in this. And this Nine of Pentacles and Seven of Pentacles here telling me that you are just waiting for someone, or you are waiting for just right time, okay, just waiting for right time, like you are going to propose someone, or someone is coming into your life to propose you, like Page of Cups, okay. Page is all about new, fresh, young energy, okay. So here what are you waiting for is going to be your wish fulfillment, okay, because and wish fulfillment and also divinely guided, okay Aquarius. And you have always wished for always wishing that equal give and take relationship. So here Six of Pentacles is all about equal give and take and balanced relationship or balanced life, everything. This is Libran card. So you are an air sign, right Aquarius, and you always want to just free from everything and balance life, and this all you want, okay. Yeah, but you are waiting for the one, okay, in your life to offer the one who is going to offer you some love or propose you. It could be from your it could be from your past, like college, school, or maybe someone new, okay. Mostly chances someone new, because Page of Cups is all about new person, okay. Here I haven't picked actually any past cards or something like that. You are in your fresh energy, you are enjoying your life right now. So Knight of Pentacles and this Seven of Pentacles, it is coming very slow. Knight of Pentacles is very slow energy. It could be any earth sign people, Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn, okay, it could be. So he is coming very slow but very stable, okay, coming very slow, but he or she will be very stable and very very in like in their life they are very stable, okay. So he or she is waiting for right time to come into your life, but definitely he will come or she will come, because it's all fated. Like we received this Lover and Star. Star is all about wish fulfillment. This is itself a Aquarius card, and the lovers card is from Major Arcana. Both both this card is from Major Arcana. So what are you waiting for, Aquarius? It's on its way, okay? On its way. So here I will take one. Underneath we have 5 of Wands. You are going through some mental conflict like that. Now I will take one card as a message, as advice, as an outcome for Aquarius. One clear message for Aquarius people. One clear message for Aquarius people for June 2021. Like, this card is very big, so always slip from my hand. Okay, wish fulfillment card. I got 2 cards actually. Underneath we have, I got 2 cards for Aquarius people. I know, like I am picking very, positive energy, like very positivity, very, you are in your power. Like, Aquarius people is very happy these days. Like, wish fulfillment card is appearing and chariot is appearing in reading, and underneath, underneath we have 8 of Wands, and also it's a wheel of fortune, destiny, soulmate card, okay, marriage, 1111 card. It's my favorite card. This is my favorite card. Aquarius people is in his power or her power these days, I think. So this card as an outcome came out like your wish will be fulfilled, because we have a star also, right? And 9 of Cups. This is star, 9 of Cups, and the chariot. Victory. Chariot is all about victory, actions. Someone is going to take some positive actions towards you, and your wish. Like, what are you wishing for these days? What are you wishing for or manifesting these days? It will definitely come into your life. Okay, it will definitely come, because we have a star, 9 of Cups, and the chariot. This chariot and the star from major. This both the cards came out from Major Arcanas. Okay, so this is your very very positive reading for today. I'm feeling very good right now, because these are very good energy. Underneath we have 8 of Wands, fiery energy. It could be any Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. It's a very fast moving energy. It also depicts some travelings. Okay, so it's a very good reading for Aquarius. If you like what I have done for you, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with your family or friends.